report in.
Okay.
Thanks for the call. And the takeoff traffic off the 2-1 is going to be turning right downwind behind that ILS traffic. Alpha 866 Charlie Papa is on base for runway 21 Orange County.
Here we go up.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 172 is turning left through the downwind here. We were the ones on the ILS. We're climbing up to 4,000 feet, heading direct towards Huguenot, looking for that traffic turning on downwind. Yeah, the downward traffic has been inside.
Oh my god, I love it!
There's a glider, 12 o'clock. You see him?
Traffic, Skyhawk is downwind beam, the numbers, T1.
See how quick we get close to him?
Chevy 971 final 10 for stop Alpha, touch and go. This is traffic.
We're not going to be able to do hard aerobatic because we have to be above the clouds. And the ceiling is 9,000 and change. If it's about 10,000 plus, I don't think so.
Okay.
It's beginning.
Cessna 855 going around, leaving the pattern to the southwest, orange. And Orange County traffic, Cherokee 45 is right downwind.
Which is you're not going to be
Orange
panicking
County
now.
traffic, Cessna 426, Papa is right base, runway 21, Orange County. Orange County traffic, Cessna 426.
There's an airliner over there, you see it?
Orange County.
Over where? Big jumbo jet over there.
Oh yeah.
Orange County traffic, Skyhawk, executing missed approach. 3 miles north of the airport. And Orange County traffic, Cherokee is right downwind.
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the rain. What about 8,500 feet?
And Orange County traffic, Cherokee's turn right base, T1. Cessna traffic, Cherokee 5435 Whiskey, 5 miles to the east, about 18 Chester.
Orange County, automated Unicom. Click your mic 3 times for an advisory, 4 times for radio check.
See how cool it is?
I love looking up.
Oh, because we're so close to the ceiling.
And Orange County traffic, Cherokee's turn final, 2-1.
We're going to do aileron go.
Okay.
Ready?
I hope so.
2-1 is going to be departed traffic seal 40, turning final, runway 10 for touch and go.
That was cool, isn't it?
Yeah, very. Do it again.
Felt the blood rushing in your head?
Yeah, it feels great.
That's the traffic, Cherokee 54 and 35 with
Okay.
downwind for warning, full stop definite.
Getting dark.
What? Did you feel blacking out?
Yeah.
Got black?
It got, like, dark brown.
We're going back to the airport. We gotta keep an eye on those gliders. We need to descend. Let it fall. This is the plane falling off the sky. Here's the negative on your butt. Felt it?
What was it?
Felt the negative?
Yeah.
Your butt went up a little bit?
A little bit.
Orange County traffic, a military jet with 10 miles northwest of the field descending out of 5,500 inbound. We'll join a downwind for 2-1 and keep an eye on traffic, advise anybody around. I don't see anybody around. Orange County traffic, military jet entering midfield downwind for runway 21, descending out of 3,000. We were gliding all this time. Now the engine's coming. Which way we gotta go?
That way.
That's alright.
Left.
Orange County traffic, military jet, downwind for 2-1 Orange County. One guy is down there, he's not gonna take off, he's gonna wait until we land. Alright, gear down. Right? Now we need to put the wheels? Do we?
I guess so.
Oh, okay. Orange County traffic, military jet, turning base for runway 21 Orange County.
Good afternoon. This is Orange County Automated Unicom. Click your mic 3 times for an advisory, 4 times for radio check.
Orange County traffic, military jet, turning final 21, full stop, Orange County. I forgot the procedure for landing. Trying to refresh my memory. You see the runway?
I I see it.
Are we line up?
Almost.
Almost is never good.
Then keep trying there, buddy.
Man, I can't do better than this. This is my best. Orange County traffic, military jet, short final 2-1, full stop, Orange County. Are we on the ground?
Yes, we are. Good job.
No.
That was so fun.
No.
It wasn't?
It was boring.
Why?
We were just sitting, doing nothing. Orange County traffic, military jet, clear the active.
Orange County traffic, Bonanza departing 21, southwestbound departure.